request Manasvi and Sansia to be near the stage. And even Arpan and Darpan.
ಶಿವನು ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನೀಡು ಬಾರೆ ತಂಗಿ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ. ಶಿವನು ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನೀಡು ಬಾರೆ ತಂಗಿ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ. ಜನಕ ಕೋಲ ಕಾಣಿ, ಬೆನ್ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲ ಕಾಣಿ. ಹಿಂದೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿರುವ ತ್ರಿಶೂಲ ಕಾಣಿ. ನಂದಿಯ ಕೋಲು ಪತಾಕೆ ಕಾಣಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದೊಂದು ಪಾದದ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಕಾಣಿ. ನಂದಿಯ ಕೋಲು ಪತಾಕೆ ಕಾಣಿ, ಮತ್ತೊಂದೊಂದು ಪಾದದ ಶೌರ್ಯ ಕಾಣಿ. ಶಿವನು ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನೀಡು ಬಾರೆ ತಂಗಿ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ. ಕಾಣಿ ಮೈಯೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾವಿನ ಮೊತ್ತ ಕಾಣಿ, ಬಲದ ಕೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಡಿದ ನಾಗರ ಬೆತ್ತ ಕಾಣಿ. ವಯ್ಯಾರ ಮೂರು ಲೋಕ ಕರ್ತ ಕಾಣಿ, ತಕ ಕೈಯ ಕೈಯಾನೊಂದತ ಕಾಣಿ. ವಯ್ಯಾರ ಮೂರು ಲೋಕ ಕರ್ತ ಕಾಣಿ, ತಕ ಕೈಯ ಕೈಯಾನೊಂದತ ಕಾಣಿ. ಶಿವನು ಭಿಕ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದ ನೀಡು ಬಾರೆ ತಂಗಿ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ, ಇವನಂತ ಚೆಲ್ವರಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡು ಬಾರೆ.
ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲಿ ನಾಡು, ಈ ನಾಡಲ್ಲೆಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟೆ, ಈ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ನೀನೆ ತಾಯಿ. ಭೂಮಿ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲಿ ನಾಡು, ಈ ನಾಡಲ್ಲೆಮ್ಮ ದುರ್ಗಾ ಈ ದುರ್ಗಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಹಾಡ ತಂಗಳು ದುರ್ಗೆ ಧಿಕ್ 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 ಥೈ ಧಿಕ್ 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 ಥೈ ಉಚ್ಚಂಗವ್ವ ಧಿಕ್ ಧಿಕ್ ಥೈ ಧಿಕ್ 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 ಥೈ ಧಿಕ್ 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 ಥೈ ಏಕನಾಥಿ ಧಿಕ್ ಧಿಕ್ ಥೈ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಕರೆಯಿಂದ ನಾಡು ಈ ನಾಡಿನ ಕರೆಯಿಂದ ನುಡಿಯು ಈ ನುಡಿಯ ಕರೆಯಿಂದ ಅರಿವು ಈ ಅರಿವಿನ ಕರೆಯಿಂದ ಶಿವನು ಆ ಶಿವನು ತಂದ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಬಲವೆ ಕಂಡ್ಯ ಗೆಳೆತನ ಈ ಗೆಳೆಯರಿದ್ದ ಅಕ್ಕರೆಯ ಬಲವೆ ಕಂಡ್ಯ ಜೀವನ ಈ ಜೀವನಕ್ಕೆ ನಲ್ಮೆಗೆ ಸಂಗಾತಿ ಧಿಕ್ ಥೈ ಥೈ ಈ ಸಂಗಾತಿಗೆ ಸಂಪಿಗೆ ಹೂವಂತೆ ದಿಗ್ 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 ಥೈ ಭೂಮಿ ಈ ಭೂಮಿ ಮೇಲಿ ನಾಡು ಈ ನಾಡಲ್ಲೆಮ್ಮ ಕೋಟೆ ಈ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ನೀನೇ ತಾಯಿ
ಬೇಸಾಯಗಾರ ಮನೆಗೆ ತೋರಣ ಬಂಗಾರದ ಕದಿರು ಬಲಿದಾಳು ಧಾನ್ಯ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮೀ ಭೂಮಿ ತುಂಬ ರತ್ನದ ಪೈರು
ನೇಗಿಲು ನೂರು ನೋಗನೂರು ಹೂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆತ್ತು 500 ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಶಿವರ ಪ್ರಿಯ ಮಡದಿರು ಭೂಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು
ಬಂಗಾರ ತೆನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂಗಾಡಿ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ
ಸಂತೋಷ ಹಿರಿ ಹಿರಿ ಹಿಗ್ಗಿ ಚಂದಾದ ಮುಗುಳು ನಗೆ
ಸುಗ್ಗಿ ಸಿರಿ ಅರಳಿತು ಗಲಗಲ ಗಲಗಲ ಸವಿಯುವ ಸಿಹಿ ಫಲ ತುಂಬಿ ತುಳುಕಲಿ ಆನಂದ ಕಲರವ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಭೂಮಿಗೆ
Up next, we have a very important and thoughtful topic that connects us all to our planet. Yes, our world is full of wonderful gifts like air, soil, sunlight, and forest. These are our natural resources, and it's our duty to protect them. To tell us more about this meaningful topic, we have two bright young speakers. Please welcome Vardhan and Lasya as they come forward to present their speech on natural resources. everyone. I am Vardhan from LKG MIS Blooming Buds. Today I would like to share few words about natural resources. Good morning, everyone. I am Lasya from Manasa Blooming Buds. As for the natural resources are the things we should natural like water, air, sunlight, soil, and trees. Yes, Lasha, these resources help us to live. We should not waste water. We should save electricity, plant more trees. Very true. If we waste our resources, it will cause global warming. The earth will become too hot. Ice will melt. Human will suffer. To stop global warming, we must use resources carefully. We should avoid plastic and use cloth bag. Keep our environment clean. Yes, in our school, our teachers teaching us to be responsible children. Let us save natural resources. Protect our earth. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, we proudly present the next interesting topic, ancient life and modern life.
To explore how life has changed from the olden days to the present times, we have two brilliant speakers.
Let's welcome Shiza and Manasvi, who will share their thoughts on ancient and modern life.
A big round of applause
for Shiza and Manasvi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Manasvi from grade 5th.
I am Shiza Fatima from grade 5th. Today we are here to share our thoughts on ancient life and modern life, especially how our environment, families and lifestyles have changed over time.
Ancient life was very simple and peaceful. People lived close to nature, breathing pure air, eating fresh food, and also enjoying the rhythm of sunrise and sunset.
True, Manasvi, today's world have comfort, technology and speed. But somewhere we have lost touch with nature. Pollution, deforestation, stress have become the part of modern living.
In the past, we had joint families filled with love, care, and shared responsibilities. Grandparents were our first teachers, and values were passed from one generation to another.
But now, life has shifted to nuclear families. We have independence and privacy, yet somewhere the warmth of togetherness is missing.
And when we talk about gadgets, mobile phones have connected to the world, but also created distance between hearts.
Yes, we talk less and text more. Technology is a wonderful servant, but a poor master. It should help us grow, not control our time and emotions.
Both ancient and modern lives have their own beauty. What truly matters is maintaining balance, using modern tools wisely while holding on to our timeless values.
Beautifully said. Let's embrace progress and never forget the simplicity, unity, and harmony that make the life truly meaningful.
Thank you.
The next topic is something very important for all of us, especially for growing children.
That's right. Today's world is full of distractions, junk food, and busy routines. And such times, maintaining healthy habits becomes very important.
To guide us and remind us how small habits can lead to a strong and happy life, we have two enthusiastic speakers.
Please welcome Arpan and Darpan as they present their speech on healthy habits.
Hi everyone, my name is Darpanke from Manas LS of 4th B.
Hi everyone, my name is Arpan K. I am in grade 4th B.
Today we want to share about our health and our diet.
Yes, Darpan, what we eat every day makes our body healthy or unhealthy.
Yes, you are correct, Arpan. We should eat healthy food like fruits, vegetables, milk, rice, chapati, nuts and eggs.
Healthy food give us energy to study, play and grow strong.
Exactly, Arpan. But we children eat junk food like chips, chocolate and fast food every day.
Yes, Darpan, junk food tastes good, but it is bad for our health. It decreases our memory and concentration and lifespan.
Yes, Arpan, eating too much junk food can cause obesity, heart problem and even cancer.
So, brother, we must control eating chocolate, soft drinks, and junk snacks.
Arpan and also wash fruits and vegetables before eating.
Yes, Darpan, there may be dust, chemical germs on them.
We should drink clean water and avoid too much soft drinks.
Soft drink contain too much sugar, which is not good for our teeth and our health.
We should also learn good eating habits like eating slowly and not wasting the food.
And